22,775 new COVID cases have been reported in just the last 24 hours across the country. The daily positivity rate now stands at a worrying 2%, the weekly positivity rate at 1%. Akshay joining us with the latest on that. Akshay, give us more highlights of these figures.
Well, Ankita, first of all, it's very important to see how the numbers are rising. And while the government has not, in fact, officially said that, yes, there is a third wave of COVID-19 upon us, the data and the numbers clearly signs at that direction only. In the state of Maharashtra, which was reporting less than 1,000 cases at one point of time, and just barely 2 weeks back, 2 to 3 weeks back, is now reporting highest cases in the country once again. We have seen that Delhi and Maharashtra, these are two places where COVID has had the biggest impact as far as the numbers are concerned. And now again, in both these places, the numbers are going up. In fact, if we talk about the national capital, Ankita, numbers are constantly going up. Yesterday, they reported approximately 1,800 new cases, and the number of Omicron cases are also second highest in the national capital. And why the national capital remains a grave concern is because in the genome sequencing of the community, 50% of the cases have tested positive for Omicron variant. And since there are no restrictions on interstate movement, people from the national capital can go to any other state, which means that community transmission is not just happening in Delhi, it's happening all across the country. And that is something the government should, in fact, now say so that people are at least cautious when they are going out, when they are gathering in crowds, when they are attending political rallies, which are going unabated. Ankita?
Right, Akshay, thanks very much indeed. Yes, worrying signs indeed, even if the government hasn't officially announced a third wave powered by the highly transmissible Omicron variant. All the data seems to point in that direction. Maharashtra back on top of the states reporting the highest number of cases, Delhi too not lagging far behind.